For the past 6 years, the Farm to Early Care and Education Initiative has worked directly with early childhood facilities and their communities to enhance the quality of early learning environments, helping them provide fresh, healthy, local food for children's meals and snacks, and offering hands-on experiential learning through cooking and gardening. Coming together and celebrating our successes has always been a key part of that work. And in 2022, after a 2-year break due to COVID concerns, we were able to meet back in person at the North Carolina Cooperative Extension office in Guilford County for the first Farm to ECE Institute. For a full day, 65 early educators from 21 different counties came together to learn, share stories, and be inspired by our amazing community. The event included a keynote address from special guest Dr. Devonya Govan Hunt from the North Carolina Black Child Development Institute, as well as hands-on activities and informative sessions on topics such as gardening and cooking with young children, racial equity in early education, and increasing family engagement through Farm to ECE. Thanks to a generous donation from PNC Bank, the Institute built upon the impactful work taking place in childcare communities across North Carolina to contribute to children's educational experiences with fresh, local food while addressing food and nutrition security for our state's youngest residents. Participants in this institute had the opportunity to take Farm to ECE efforts to new levels, bringing new strategies and approaches back to their communities where they serve over 1,000 North Carolina children and families.